Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Facebook videos on your Android device. To get started, open the Facebook app and find the video you want to save. If the video was uploaded by you, tap the three-dot menu on the post and look for the download video option if it's available. Follow the on-screen instructions to save the video to your device. If the video was shared by someone else, Facebook generally doesn't provide a download option. Instead, you can tap Save Video to add it to your saved collection, allowing you to watch it later within the Facebook app. If you have permission from the video's owner to keep a copy outside of Facebook, ask them to send you the original file directly or provide a downloadable copy. And that's it, you've learned the available ways to save and download Facebook videos on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.